Good morning. I am Parivarun from class 8A. I feel truly honored to be nominated for the post of Vice Captain of Explorers. I am sincerely grateful for this opportunity. Explorers stands for growth, energy and unity, and I am committed to carrying that spirit forward in everything we do. If selected, I promise to give my best to support our house in academics, sports, discipline and every school activity. I believe in teamwork, honesty and encouragement. I will always be there to motivate, guide and listen to each one of you. Together, I believe we can achieve great things and make Explorers the best. So vote for me as Greenhouse Vice Captain. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Pura Vijay standing before you because I believe that every student voice deserves to be heard. Being a vice captain isn't just about wearing a badge, it's about responsibility, support, and teamwork, and I am ready to take that step with pride. If chosen, I promise to stand by you, speak for you, and work hard for all of us. I may not have all the answers, but I'll always try to do what's right and fair. Let's grow, shine, and succeed together as an explorer. Thank you for your time and trust.
Good morning, I am not present here. I am Sherish Paran from class 8 Resilience. First of all, I thanks to my house warden who nominated me for this big opportunity. If you vote me, then I try my best to do all things for this year and for this house, like sports, music and other activities. If some students who not select for some other reasons, I convince to serve a man to select you. So please vote me. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shantu. I am running for the Vice Captain of a greenhouse. I truly believe in teamwork, dedication and unity. If elected, I will work closer with the captain. All of you ensure that I will give you the opportunity to grow together and make our house proud. I will be a supportive leader, someone who is always ready to shine, passionate about making a house strong, better and full of spirit. Thank you for your time and please support me.